Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. Today we'll see the matrix in Power BI desktop. So let's start. What is matrix in Power BI and when to use it? A matrix table is a table that expands both horizontally and the vertically. The amount of rows and the columns is determined by the number of unique values in the specified fields. Okay, so we can add the specified value in the column and the row so that we can see row wise and column wise particular value. Okay, if you want to represent data which has many dimensions, values, and want to equip a user with rich drill down and formatting experience, then we can use the matrix. So we'll see how to create it in the Power BI desktop. Okay. So after clicking over here on the matrix visual, we'll get this pane here on our dashboard. Then we have to add the so we can add this row. In the row we can add the customer segment. Okay, in the column we can add the product category, and in the values we can add the cells. Okay, so after adding these things we are able to see the customer name, customer segment, and the product category and the total of this all segments value. Okay, so this is the consumer segment. For furniture category, this is the sales. For office supplies, this is the sales, and for consumer technology, this is the sales. Okay, so if we have to see this data for this product subcategory also, and that for particular product also. Okay, so then we can use the drill down here. Okay, so after adding the product category in the columns, we can add the product subcategory. Okay, and then we can add the products, so we can add the product name also. Okay, so when we click here, we'll able to see the product subcategory, and we'll able to see the customer segment and product subcategory cells. Okay, and after clicking again on here, and then we can see the data according to particular product. Okay, so for this furniture category, this is the subcategories, and we can see this now. So for this product category, this is the subcategory, and this is the name of the products, and this is the sales of that particular product according to consumer segment. Okay, so for this use we can create the matrix. Okay, so we can format it also, so we can style it like table. So we'll give this minimum style to this matrix. We can add the grid lines horizontal and vertical also. We can give the border to all table, top, bottom, left and right, and also we can set the width. So for values we can increase the size, increase and decrease the size of the values. Next option is column headers, so we can add the column headers color from here. So we can set the white color as a text color, and we can set the background color this. Okay, so that we can able to see it highlighted. So we can align it in the middle. We can set the title alignment also. Then this is the option auto size width. So this is for auto size width. This is the row header. So from here we can add the text color and the background color. Okay, for this row header. So we can align it in the middle. This is for the icons. Okay, this is the stepped layout, so we can set the indentation to for particular steps. This is the column subtotal, so if we don't want to see the column subtotal, we can hide it from here. And also we can increase the size of values from here, set the text and background color to that particular values. We can add the row, we can add and remove the row subtotals from here. Okay, according to our requirement we can set that. This is the column grid total, so we can set the font size, bold, italic, underline, font color and background color from here. Row grand total, we can set the styling to this particular row grand total also. So we can add this setting to particular value. So here we'll get only one, so we are able to see the only one value. So we can add the setting to this particular values also. Okay, then this is for text and background for values, and we can set the display units according to our requirement. We can set it as a thousands, we can set it as millions. Okay, and this is the cell element for giving the font and background color to particular value. So from here we can give the background color whatever we want in this way. We can set the background font color also. So we can set font color as white. So agree. This is the data bar color. We can set the formatting to this font color data bars icons web URL. Okay, and this is for the URL icon, and we can set the image height also from here. Okay, for clear picture we can set the height in pixels. Okay, then this next general option here, from here we can set the height and the width of this particular matrix. We can set the position, we can lock this particular height and width from here. We can set the position, we can do the maintain layer order, we can add the title from here. So this is the matrix. Then we can change the font color from here, we can increase the size of that particular title, we can bold, italic and underline it. We can set the text color from here, we can align it from here in the middle. Okay, in the effects we can set the background color for this particular matrix. We can add the transparency also from here. We can add the border for visual, we can add the shadow. So we can give the formatting to header icons, we can set the tooltip also, and we can add the alter text also. Okay, so when we click over here we are able to see the drill down. Okay, so in this way we can add the drill down to our visual and able to see the data according to product subcategory and also the product name. Okay, so in this way we can create the matrix. In the next video we'll see the R and Python script visual, how to add it in the Power BI. Up to that, please don't miss to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive a notification of my upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.